Hey guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how I made my breast milk soap. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to do the soap method is because it helps with sensitive skin. I know Max, he sometimes breaks out, so I wanted to try this out, as well as, I love all things on sale. So this does help me to cut costs when it comes to like buying soap for him. And also you can use this on your skin, like an adult skin, like Marcus can use it for his beard. So stay tuned, but let's go ahead and get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. So we are about to make some breast milk soap. And we're going to start with these rolled oats here that I got from Trader Joe's. And then this is the mold that I got from Amazon. And this is the base of the soap here. Got this from Amazon as well. And I'm going to wash these out and then we'll start. This is how it looks out of the box here. I'm not going to make a lot. Just 6. So I don't think I'm gonna need that much. So I cut it and I'm gonna cut it up some more. I'm not gonna do a lot, like I said. All right, here we go. It's thick. So I'm gonna cut it up some more. These up. I am putting this into my pot here and stirring it here. I don't think this is gonna be enough. We're gonna see. Y'all. We're gonna see. This is not my everyday pot, by the way, if you were thinking that. We did the oatmeal in there. And my milk in here. Alright, so it has been an hour and 30 minutes. It's 7:21. And y'all, this is how it turned out. Let's look at another one. So they just come out easily like that. And then flip it. I can't even break it. It's so hard. Okay. Smells good. Smells like honey. Okay, so we used this one, but this is the rest of how they look. They look really good. They smell amazing, and we can't wait to use them this week and see how long they last. So I'll let you guys know. But these are it. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So these are the ingredients that I'm using here. And I do already have a banana in there, a ripe banana. So I like to use this oatmeal because it has flax seeds in it. It has all of the seeds that you need to boost your milk supply, and it's good on fiber. And then this, I am actually low on this, but this is really good here to increase your milk supply. I ordered this from Amazon, and it does have a bitter taste to it, which is why I do dark chocolate. And then peanut butter, and then this is just my jar that I have my oats in. And then, oh, we forgot honey. Have to put some honey in there. So I put everything in here. So this is everything all together, and I am mixing it. Mixing it. I'm gonna put another banana in there. I really don't eat the banana. And then step 3 is you put the wax. So you're gonna roll them up to a ball. Roll it to a ball. So you're just gonna take the batter and just roll it. You could buy like a little spoon and spoon it out, but these are the balls. We're gonna put them in the freezer for about 30 to an hour. So these have been, I think, how long has it been? I think 30 minutes, and they're hard here. So I'm about to fill them in this Ziploc bag. Here are the cookies that I'm currently eating.